Hi everyone, Zach Pakoff here. Welcome back. Today's hot sauce review is going to be Hot Ones, the classic chili maple hot sauce. So as usual, I've got the sauce right here. And I've also got a club cracker that I'm going to put the sauce on. So we're going to give this bottle a good shaking. Then we're going to get the club cracker. And now we're going to put some of the sauce on the cracker. All right. There we go. Here's what the cracker looks like with the sauce on it. And here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Can taste a little bit of heat. Really good flavor though. It's not too bad, but it's pretty good. Okay, so for this sauce, for heat, it wasn't really that bad, so I'll give it a 1. And for flavor, the flavor was pretty good. I will give this one a 6. All right. So that's going to wrap up my review for Hot Ones, the classic chili maple hot sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.